Hello, I'm attorney Jonathan Blecher. I'm a criminal defense attorney practicing here in Miami, Florida. I specialize in the defense of DUI and vehicular cases. I want to talk to you a little bit today about a few of the cases that this firm has handled that have had successful results for our clients. The reason this firm has been very successful in defending drunk driving cases is our attention to detail and our creativity. And let me give you an example. A few years back, I represented a young man who was physical dimensions were 5'6" and about 140 pounds. He was a pretty small-framed young man and was stopped for a traffic violation out here on the Rickenbacker Causeway. And the Rickenbacker Causeway is an area that it's a roadway that extends in between two bodies of water. And the wind tends to whip through there pretty heavily. A lot of sailboats sail in that area. So when this client was arrested for DUI, he came to my office to consider retaining me. And he disclosed to me the circumstances and facts of his stop. And he told me that while he was doing the physical sobriety test with the police officer, the winds coming off of Biscayne Bay were so strong that night, and because of his small frame, he wasn't able to perform the physical sobriety tests in the way that the officer wanted. For example, on the walk and turn test, he was trying to walk on a straight line, 18 steps, 9 up and 9 back, with the winds blowing around him. And on the balance test, which required him to stand with his feet together, hands at his side, eyes closed, head tilted back, he was being affected by the wind. So I wondered really how much the wind had to do with this. And I thought, how can I find out what the wind was at that particular location? Well, some research and creativity revealed that the National Climatic Data Center in Asheville, North Carolina produces wind gust recording charts for numerous recording stations around Dade County and all around the world, all around the United States, but in particular at this location. We were able to establish that the wind gusts were 20 to 30 miles per hour at that location at the time my client was tested for DUI. I presented this information to the prosecutor's office. They agreed that the performance on the physical sobriety test was certainly tainted by the wind, and eventually the case was dismissed in favor of my client. And let's talk about another way that creativity can work for you. And I'll do that in my next video. For more information, please visit our website, DUILawdefense.com.